Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to mount the hood and the light cover things. So we get those back on the car, get the hood aligned, all that good stuff. And then we'll get on with the next thing after that. So let's get that. Alright, so now we're mounting the hood and it's quite the struggle out there because things shift. So the fenders have to be in the right position, the light covers have to be in the right position, the front bumper has to be in the right position, and then the hood has to be positioned as well, because the holes on the hood mounting spot are oversized to allow for adjustment. So for those of you that have done hoods before, know what it's like to mount a hood. It's quite the struggle, or it can be quite the struggle, because things just shift around and move. So, and for those of you that don't know, it's tough. But that is why we had to move the hood around so much, adjust it so much. We actually ended up using a different hood than the one that was originally on the car, because this one was actually straight, and we found out the one that originally was on the car had been bent, and the latch had been moved, so we had to pull the latch off and put the latch back in the original position to have everything lined up properly. So you'll see us do all that kind of stuff, but that's just one of the things that we found out while doing the hood. So yeah, so this is the process of us doing the hood. It's quite the endeavor. I mean, this video has been sped up quite a bit. So like, we moved the fenders, we moved the latch, we had to open and close the hood numerous times to get everything to line up. So this is quite the process, but is quick, is easy enough. So this is what we're doing, and then yeah, then we mount up all the latches back on, or mount up all the light covers back on, and yeah. So I got the hood finished. It looks great. It looks really good. It's lined up very well. The two light covers are lined up really well as well. Take a quick look again. So the hood visually needs a lot of work. Like just the paint and stuff, not a lot of work, a little bit of work, because it doesn't look very great. But basically just try to sand it down a little bit, maybe paint a little bit. But we're gonna wrap it up, so we don't need to worry about that. So ready to get on to the next thing. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.